Alright guys, so today we got the CRF70 all fixed up. Everything works good. Back brakes are nice and smooth. Well, they're stuck right now, but they're nice and smooth. Everything runs good. Starts at first kick. So we're just gonna clean it up, and then we're gonna just wipe everything down with Mr. Clean Wipes and everything. Get it looking real nice, and then I will show you how to post the dirt bike up for sale and how to make money off little bikes like this. It's a fun little hobby. Alright, so now you're just going to want to get Mr. Clean Wipe, and then you'll see any kind of scuffs right here. You're just going to want to wipe it down. Make sure you get it a little bit wet before you do it. It helps a lot. Alright, so right here you can see where there used to be an old sticker. If you get a wipe like this, have to work a little bit. There we go. You can see where here's the sticker, here it isn't. And it will clean just about any surface. And you can clean up parts of your frame, like right here you can see that there's a little bit of dirt. Clean. And you can also do your engine cases like this, but I'm not going to really worry about that. I'm just trying to sell this quick and show you guys how to do this. Alright, so once you got the bike all cleaned up, you're going to want to get a rag or just something and just wipe it down. That way, if there was any dirt molecules, it wouldn't actually stay on the bike. It'd just get on the rag, so the bike looks as clean as possible. Because obviously, if you're trying to buy a bike, you're going to want to look for the cleanest bike possible. You're not going to want to get some clapped out hunk of junk that you found on the street. And it also shows how that you cared about cleaning the bike instead of just posting a picture of the bike on the floor upside down. I've seen pictures like that before. Those are big red flags. Alright, so another trick with Hondas, anything that is below a 2009 but like above a 2002, so right when the CRF models came out, they have these black letters on the seat cover. And the trick is, if you have a black Sharpie, you can color in the black letters to make them look like the bike is almost brand new. There you can see the H looks a lot better. And you can usually see, because it'll get worn out with use, but make it like that. That looks a whole lot better. Alright, so now once you got all the finishing touch-ups on the bike, you're going to want to take it off the stand or leave it on the stand, let it dry off so that looks nice and clean, and then you're going to want to get pictures. Alright guys, so it's the next day and we got the 70 sold. It's gone, no more clapped out 70cc. Still got the 110, 140, and the 230. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how how much the 70 really turned out to cost and how much I sold it for. Alright guys, for the CRF 70, I bought it for $275. Then we bought about 50 bucks in parts. Then that was the total. So that came out to be about $325. Today, last night I posted up for 700 bucks. But the people wanted me to meet them about 30 minutes from my house. So they offered $800. I met up minus 325. And that's going to be $475 profit. That's not a bad amount of profit for such a small little bike, but probably could have been better. I probably could have posted it more. I had like 15 offers in the first 15 minutes, but yeah. So that's a wrap for this video. Now just comment down below what you want to see. I'm thinking maybe putting a BBR shock on the 140, or I can do another video on how to wire up a little light bar, 6-inch light bar, to the front of your dirt bike, pit bike, whatever you want. And yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.